My big day out today. I'm going to get the bus to Palma, which will be quite easy, obviously, as any bus. But I want to get the train to Sóller, and that's a 120-year-old wooden train, and you're on the train for about an hour to where you get to the village of Sóller. It's a lovely day here, hardly any clouds. Last night was absolutely scorching. I couldn't even sit in the sun. Anyway, laters. Well, I've got to Palma and I've got a ticket to get on a train. The train's just behind me. Like I said, it's a wooden train. 110, 20 years old, something like that. Don't leave for another 30 minutes though. So, see you in a bit, bye.
Here though, it's a smaller, it's like half the size.
Well, lovely looking train. See you later. Just coming into Sóller station. Hour and 10 minutes. Good. This is the square of Sóller, the village, and that's the cathedral or church, one way or another. Standing on the steps of the cathedral. coming into the Port de Sóller, I believe. Well, that was really eventful on the train, and then onto the tram. And now this one's on my right, gonna tip me over. Very good. Very glad I made the trip, the effort. Very good, very good. See ya. What an absolutely beautiful place. Absolutely stunning. When we came here before, we didn't actually come down to the port. We stayed in the village up where the cathedral is. And this is absolutely quite amazing. You can tell this is a money place with all the boats. Absolutely gorgeous. They're very demanding in this place. Walking down the street, minding my own business, all of a sudden I'm told to sit down and have a beer. I didn't want it, but I didn't like to argue. Oh dear. You know what, I like walking, but I've walked around this place and I can't remember a time that I've actually walked this slow. I was probably about 6 months old the last time I walked this slow. It really lowers your pulse. Honestly, it's absolutely stunning. I can't believe it. I wish I had got here before. I really do. Name of this restaurant here called Roma. I don't know if it's anything to do with Tony Roma's, but we went to quite a lot of them around the world. I must say, Kim would love that, because she was a good girl.
Good.
Traffic here is the same as I'm sitting on. Absolute gridlock. Can't get anywhere. Well, I'm back on the tram to go back to Palma. When I go back to Palma, I've got to get back on the bus. So it's going to probably be about 2 hours to get back to my hotel. But what a brilliant day that's been. That's been absolutely fantastic. What a place that is. Really enjoyed it. Anyway, speak to you later. Cheers. Bye. Just got back. Took exactly 2 hours. Just having a beer at the minute and seeing what happens after that. But no, it's a good day. Absolutely brilliant. Thoroughly enjoyed it. Glad I went. Excellent. See you later.